at 10. Chadwick Boseman and Diabetes will wake up soon. I better run.
What just happened?
I remember that guy defeated us. We need to get revenge. The guy defeated us. I need to get revenge.
Chadwick Boseman? I know we're enemies, but we need to defeat that guy.
Let's train.
Hi, I'm Fever. I'm Car. You guys will make good apprentices. We're trained. We've got to get that guy.
Yeah, exactly.
I got to report this to the boss. Boss, Chadwick Boseman and Diabetes are looking for you. Oh no, they'll be here in a minute. I know, we got to go train. Let's go. I'll teach you the ancient ways of Cobra Kai. Now punch. Now you're trained. It's Chadwick Boseman and Diabetes. Boss told us to defeat them. Let's do it.
Yeah!
My apprentices should be back by now. I have to go find them. Oh no!
We defeated them. Now we're gonna defeat you.
They have him surrounded. I better go. I suppose you want to know what my name is.
Tell us.
Yeah, I'm coronavirus's brother. What? We were fighting coronavirus's brother? He's my friend. I'm going to find the flow. Boss, what are you doing? Yeah, why are you destroying him? Because he's my enemy. Now get out of the way.
What's an enemy?
Yeah!
That's an enemy.
I surrender. Finally, I've defeated my enemies. I hope you like the Cobra Kai series. Wakanda forever. Goodbye!